Welcome to the Resairchia YouTube channel. In this video, I want to introduce you to my new Modelica calculus library. You can find it in my GitHub repository. Here you can download it. In the library package, you will be able to find information about the license and the references that I have used. You can find examples on how to use the library, and a collection of basic derivatives and basic integrals. I have developed this library because I needed to compute derivatives and antiderivatives that were not related to time. So I hope you find it useful for your own projects. If you don't know how to use functions in Modelica, I left the link for a video tutorial in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you in future videos.